What's up, guys, and welcome to another Just Live vlog. Today is Mia's birthday. It's the princess's birthday. You excited?
Yeah.
What are we doing today?
We're going to Disneyland.
We're going to Disneyland. Is it Disneyland or Disney World?
Animal Kingdom.
We're going to Disney World. We're going to Animal Kingdom. It's gonna be a lot of fun. This one's super excited. So we're up early, about to get some breakfast. And after some breakfast, yeah, we'll have some fun. You ready for some breakfast first?
Yep. I'm so hungry.
You hungry?
Yeah.
Yeah, same here. Let's go eat. So now we're going to Kiki's Breakfast Cafe. See how it tastes. You guys excited for Disney World?
Yes. Yes. I'm excited.
Yeah? Come on, Mia.
We're eating now.
Yeah, we got a nice breakfast. Mia got your fruit bowl.
Yep, I got my food. Ordered too.
I got French toast, Benedict. We got some pancakes.
Ew, that looks like
Mia, look over here, Mia. Oh, stand over there a little bit.
Alright guys, time to
Yeah,
eat.
look.
Alright guys, so the first stop we're stopping at is Animal Kingdom. Mia,
Yay!
you excited? We're arriving just right now. This is cool. We've never been to Animal Kingdom.
No, this is
right?
our first.
This is my first time also going to Animal Kingdom. And we're gonna get to see, they're celebrating the Lion King too.
Yes.
This is gonna be really cool. So I'm excited. So I heard Animal Kingdom is where you drop off the kids and then you don't have to worry about anything else. Like,
And the animals just take them.
just send them back into the wilderness. So it's pretty awesome. So we decided to take the preferred parking, and they gave all of us waters to, hydrate, because it's gonna be very hot over here in Disney. But it's gonna be super exciting.
Here.
Everybody's excited. As you can hear Mia, she's
Oil.
super excited.
Excited?
Oil. Oil.
All right, windows up.
Everybody's good.
Beep beep beep.
You excited, Mia?
Yep.
Yep.
Come on. Come on, Joe.
Everybody got on Disney shirts besides me. I'm gonna have to get a Mickey shirt inside. So, how's that guys? My Just Live shirt. I'm just gonna say it's so hot. Not hot yet?
It is hot. My back is hot.
Well,
Ah.
okay.
Mia, stop.
No crankiness.
Stop being bratty.
No crankiness on your birthday. So how old are you? How old did you just turn?
6.
6? Yeah. And where are we right now?
In Disney World.
In Disney World and in Animal Kingdom?
Yep.
What are you excited to see today?
Mickey and Minnie Mouse.
Yeah. Alright, so we're in, Mia. We are in. Alright, Mia, so where are we going? Where are we going, Mia?
All right.
Lion King's capital country. Lion King's capital.
Where is that? Okay. Alright guys, here we go. You don't need to see monkeys when we got one right here.
Bye, Kevin. Where you going?
Cool, right, Mia? Whoa. We're walking through the tree of life. You see all the details, guys? You guys are not paying attention. Look, there's all the stuff.
It's like, you gotta see the design.
I want it.
This whole setup over here is so beautiful. Like, it's actually pretty crazy. Oh yeah. Hot, so we're gonna hang out in the cold water.
Hello.
We got the GoPro now for this water raft ride. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Mia is gonna go on her first water ride.
I'm gonna get wet.
You're gonna get wet?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're all gonna get wet.
We're all gonna get wet.
So far, it's been a great time over here. We went through the little safari trail. Well, not safari trail, like a little jungle path, and saw a couple of the animals. Now we're gonna go on this water ride, this water raft ride. It was always fun. Get a little wet. It's hot out here, so yeah, it's been exciting though. The whole detail of everything is amazing too. Like they put a lot of detail into everything, and it's super cool that they did this. I mean, that's why Disney is the best, you know? You gotta hold her thing, because the thing's gonna fall off.
Yeah. Alright guys, get those seatbelts buckled and tightened, please.
You guys ready?
You can hold us
I'm so excited for this.
I'm excited. Oh, where's your friend? Stay seated, stay buckled, and have fun.
I'm hot. I want to get wet.
Oh, you will.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, there goes my snow sneak. Huh?
Terrified right now.
Yeah, she is. I am too, a little bit. A little bit? I'm not.
You guys will be fine.
I'm fine.
Yeah.
We're going up.
Oh my god, Mia. You ready? You ready, Mia? Oh wow. Mia. We don't want these forest fires like this.
Exactly.
Where I live, yeah, back in Cali. This is reminding me of back home right now. Uh-oh. Get ready, Mia. It just started, man. It just started. That's scary, not loud, man. You got it.
It's your birthday. You're gonna get a little one.
You gotta get wet. It's hot out. Oh, look at the squirrel crossing over. Uh-oh, get ready. You're gonna get stuck. We're gonna get stuck. Oh, just missed us. Just missed us. I'm good. It's fun, right? It's just fun, right?
Oh, now she wants to do it again.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. That wasn't bad, Mia. I don't know about that. Next time, Mia. Nah, we have to wait a long time for that.
Next time, Mama.
We gotta see the rest of the park.
We gotta see the rest of the park. We gotta wait.
Did you have fun, Mia?
I feel cool now.
Yeah, you guys have fun? It was a nice cool off.
Nice cool off.
Alright. Alright, now we're going on a dinosaur ride. We got the fast pass. If you guys gonna go to these places, you gotta just spend the money for the fast pass. Yeah. What'd you get? Look at it, Mia making bracelets out of nothing. You ready?
Yes.
We're in the front seat. We got the front. Alright, Mia, that was your first scary ride. Did you have fun? Yeah. What was happening?
So first
We were running away from the dinosaurs?
yeah, and the dinosaurs carried me.
That was funny. She was holding on with dear life. It's really funny.
Yeah, I actually put my hand.
Here, hold my hand. 40-minute wait for this ride. I don't even know what it is. Mia, you being patient? Yeah, you excited to go on the ride? Actually unreal. So cool. The detail and everything is absolutely amazing. So cool. Alright, so we decided to take a break. We're headed back to, we just got to the resort. We're checking in right now. We're at the Grove, what is it?
The Grove Resort.
The Grove Resort in Orlando. I don't know where we check in. Alright guys, so we just got to the resort. Did you have fun at Disney, at Animal Kingdom?
Yeah. Yeah, and now we're going to the eat, and then after we're gonna go in the pool.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna swim so fast.
So fast? How fast? Show me how fast you can swim.
I'd be here.
That's pretty fast.
I'd be in the swimming competition.
Yeah.
That's how fast I can
How fast?
Okay, thank you.
You're pretty fast, Mia. Wow. That's cool. Nice. The resort's pretty nice. Alright, so we got a suite. Let's see how this looks. Ooh. Look at this.
Yeah, we're here.
What? Inside view. Look at my mom's bathroom. Oh, it's nice. Wow. Living the good life, guys. I'll be sleeping. You did. Look at this. Guest bathroom. Guest room. This is nice. What's over here? Oh, a whole closet. Nice.
Bathroom's big.
I know. So my mom hooked us up with a suite. It's pretty nice, really nice actually. Surprised me.
Yeah.
So we're living good this week. Can't complain. It's been an amazing week.
Yeah.
Everything we've done has been awesome. And you know, we don't really get to do this as much. So the fact that, you know, we're doing it, it's awesome. You know, I love this. So blessed, blessed, you know. Super grateful to my mom. She's the one that made all this happen. Everybody give a shout out to Mom Dukes in the chat. She's super awesome. Like, I don't know what I'd do without her. Really don't. So yeah, we're here. We're getting cleaned up. Try to relax a little bit. We've done a lot of walking. Disney was amazing. The Animal Kingdom, and I think we're gonna head back tonight just to see, you know, how the Avatar thing looks at night and stuff. 'Cause that whole area looks really beautiful. We got a whole balcony. Super nice.
I'm so happy you've gone. I'm gonna cry. Oh, we love you so much. Thank you.
No, she's really crying. Sorry. I was joking her out, but she's really crying. I'm sorry. Love you, Ma. You're the best, Ma.
I know.
You're the best, Ma.